104.9 locked in right now. It's now 6 minutes after the hour of 3 o'clock. And of course, as you heard, it's all about the Suncity High School Disc Jock competition for 2019.
Yes!
Today is Friday, February 8th. Shot the Shane up in the building. Well, I'm going to shot the Shane. You know, I'm thinking to wonder right now, why is everybody so in a high spirit? It's the first time I've been doing this competition. I realized that the two schools, Campion and Eltham, they are all energy up, they're energized, they're happy, they're even talking before the competition, and it's a friendly little talk. And this is good, because knowing where Campion is and where Eltham is, it's two different boundaries. But you know, the young man from Eltham, he seems to be all energized and ready. And yes, Uptown meet the Garrison. Alright folks, alright, so we have Eltham High in the studios and Campion College. And in a few minutes, the two DJs will be going at it for the bragging rights of this round. And of course, it's round 1, match 6 between Eltham High and Campion College. Alright, let us take time out to big up our sponsors once for the first time in the afternoon. Gatorade, the wind form within. First, clean and clear and under control. Settle menstrual, get back to the better you. Confident sanitary napkins, we got this. Digital, the bigger data network. This is really good yogurt. Be good to your body. Distinction College providing equal opportunities. Loop, your news now. Suncity TV televising the revolution. Larry's Productions exceeding expectations. Skyliner TV making moves. Jungle Fire Restaurant. And of course it's endorsed by the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information. Also by the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports. Alright, remember the theme for this year's Suncity High School Disc Jock competition. It's all about breakthrough with money power. Choose your career path now. And the rules of the Suncity High School Disc Jock competition in the round 1, it's the juggling round. Each participant will be given 5 minutes to juggle 3 different genres of music. This juggling must include at least one gospel song. There will be no ad-lib or speaking from the student DJs. This round is strictly juggling. For round 2, bust the place. Each student should research 3 songs that will bust the place with old school Jamaican hits. The DJs must present 3 songs each that will generate good response from listeners. The songs must be at least 10 years old, okay? And the final round is all about the tune for tune. And that is the showdown that everybody always anticipates.
Yes.
Alright, so without any further ado, let's get right into it. Chat to Shane, you ready, my boss?
Yes, my boss.
Alright, so Eltham High, they won the time cost, but they decided to let Campion College kick off the juggling round.
They coming off the bench, while I'm coming off the court fully drenched. Ain't got some hater rain, get your thirst quenched. Style tournament is girl very French. These birds copy every word, every inch. But Gang got the hammer and the wrench. But Gang got the hammer and the wrench.
$1 million life is a legend. Girls wanna call me Mr. Blazing. One of them a blow me like a big wind. Show money like leaf when you see the patron. When the thing is just a sweat and scarf. Money like a fucking penny with them scarf. 6 out here, you know we're up, bro. At the gun, it's a fuck a girl from you, fuck a girl from you, fuck a girl from you. She a fucking business, me tell her some, you make business. She a man, me say me no business. If you do it, that a fi me and fi your business. But can't say me no business. You know how me like you do all of the business. Me tell her she a my business. Me no yam saltfish, that a aki 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 business. Amen. 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 It's the boy on summer life. I may not be right for you, but I'm right for somebody. I looking good, I feeling good, I real good, I real good. I looking good, I feeling good, I real good.
o'clock, people, you will never believe that DJ was actually from the Campion College. Yo, let me tell you something, people. Right now, it's if Eltham go as hard as how Campion go hard go. Shanty Shane, the two of them gonna final.
Yes, sir.
Me say the two of them gonna final. Me say me I break the rule right now. Radar burn up. Hey, big up the Dimples over there in Brooklyn. Say no, sir. You versatile. Big up to the puppeteer boss Lucky Nancy. But guess what, folks? We're not gonna waste any time because we have Eltham High. And I have to hold on. I have to read it. Big up this little youngster from Eltham High. People, all when him opponent a play, the man a dance, the man a cheer man, him a pop in collar, him a video him a do everything. So all when him know him a got dead. But here we go. Right now, on the Eltham High School where one of our former students who is now working at Suncity won the competition. Big up DJ Murphy, Sunjack Murphy. So right now, DJ, talk up first.
Hear my cry, oh, I tell not to my prayer. From the end of the earth, will I cry out to thee? When my heart is overwhelmed, say the mama.
Run this country. People love the way rivers dance and move, you know. Everybody free win at the party. When I touch to me body. Until I made you my girl. Now you push me like a big boy. Till I cut you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Cause I get sticky, girl, I think that I'm stuck. I don't know wrong, but I know what you gon' call for. Never gonna let that keep my love in the stress too.
So shine it up, come inside, oh fire it up. Let the room be in tidy up. Go so in the wind it up. I'm the man of the party. Come inside it.
She might never be in your body. She never be taking any money. That's how much she got tell about me. She give me the proper. You must be on the propaganda. I'm one like me. We don't mind overlook girls. I'm one like we. We don't mind overlook girls. You like the ladies, spend up money. We don't mind overlook girls. You like the ladies, spend up money. We out here to my money, my body, my soul, oh baby. I feel believe for the account, yo. Yeah, Versace and Gucci for your body, oh baby. It's some like it's like shaking your heart for me. I'm
is a grab on the line and them say it just start. The streets and time on the park and them a bring stand them young people down.
Feel like a jump right now. Smile and get it right now. I'm shining on the pants right now. Start up to give my 100 yeah. So me up again.
Man steady with the gadget. Anyway me see the enemy tapping on God. Steady up, man bring it anywhere. Outside and I'm gonna flip. You take boy girl for the fun of it. You know about side never fear nobody. Anywhere we go for them, anywhere we go for them. You know we good at it. Circle the whole of them. Run it out fast, then me turn it. Me no frightened feelings, that's not anything. I'm in no for some work and them pass me drinks. And if you no rate, I'm in no pull on your beat. I'm in no one, me no leave. I'm in no what you do. Much less see by your drinks. Never grew up in boat. I'm a band of a fuck, so me but I never grew away. Me no frightened for people, no frightened for people. Cause the people that be frightened for me. The high green the street and the hard at night. But I every time me no love lights. You never tell her before, say for sure must fight. Pick up by your ground and make sure no fly. Never hear somebody can think.
Alright. 21 minutes past your 3 o'clock, and that was DJ Tucker Fresh from the Eltham High School over there in Spanish Town. No, they
are juggling.
Yesterday too,
They are juggling.
Young DJ them. I'm proud of them and we don't reach nowhere yet, folks. We're gonna go to round 2 right now, ladies and gentlemen, and this round is all about Bust the Place. Each student should research 3 songs that will, of course, give the listeners a big energy, and it must be at least 10 years old with some old school Jamaican hits. Alright, so we're gonna go right back to where we started from in round 1. And ladies and gentlemen, DJ PJ is up next from the Campion College.
Yo, we're gonna start it. No. Yo, we'll start out in 1985 in the Stalag rhythm. We're gonna start with that tenor saw. That this name.
Ring the alarm, hey, whoa. Ring the alarm, another sound is dying, whoa. Hey, ring the alarm, another sound is dying, whoa. Hey.
Yo, we're gonna start it with a Here I Come by Dennis Brown on the Wolves and Leopards album.
Here I come with love and a daydream. Show me goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. Give me no one, no wish to be with no evil man. For then comes the day when you'll be with like the feathers in.
Now we're gonna give them the final and last song, you know. We're gonna give them No 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 by Don Penn, 1994.
All the musical things coming your way.
DJ PJ out of the Campion College, and we're going to turn over to the Eltham High where DJ Tucker Fresh is standing by to bust the place right now.
Yeah. We are saying, big up everybody tuning to Suncity 104.9, you know, isn't it? You don't know so what the general birthday, Father Bob, isn't it? So you don't know. The one I was released in 1977, isn't it? Big up Father Bob. Next song now, Far From Bojo, One I Beloved, released in 1995.
On the world, no it could be. Must be some way for me. I must have done it desperately. is hard to hide. Don't pretend, stop wasting my time.
So the third song now is a collaboration with Chakadimos and Pliers. The one named Murder Show, released on the Teasing album, released in 1993.
Now this one dedicated to the other one.
Just touch on it,
If I ever tell you about my Lexi, you would say I don't know what I know, but murder she wrote, murder she wrote, murder she wrote, murder she wrote. Trouble with him, I predict you some bad character.
If you're some bad character. So remember, we're going down to the tune segment right now, and remember the theme: brain power equates money power. Choose your career path now. And let me just take time out to big up our sponsors: Gatorade, win from within; Brisk, clean and clear and under control; Setamol Menstrual, get back to the better you; Confident sanitary napkins, we got this; Digicel, the bigger, better data network. This is really great yogurt, be good to your body. Distinction College, providing equal opportunities. Luke, your news now. Suncity TV, televising the revolution. Laris Productions, exceeding expectations. Skyliner TV, making moves. The Jungle Fire Restaurant. And of course, it's endorsed by the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information, and also by the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports. 13 minutes going up to the hour of 4 o'clock right now, folks, and we're going to get down to the Tune for Tune segment, where the students will go at it in this segment, folks. The Campion College against the Eltham High from Spanish Town. Folks, we're going to go over to Campion College, where they will kick off this round, and they have 5 tunes each to play, alright? So, Campion College, DJ PJ, it's your turn. Get ready. Let's do this.
Yo, you know, say DJ PJ check in, and more all of the Campionites them scream. Yeah, I can't hear you. Alright, so remember the motto: Fortes in fide et opere, steadfast in faith and good works. Not stead slow, steadfast. Remember that. For the song that I'm about to play. Remember that.
Step down, if you never born with the road against some. From me a little boy, greatness like running on the blood. Greatness like running on the blood. Greatness like running on the blood. Greatness like running on the blood.
Alright, so that was DJ PJ. Now it's Campion Eltham time. Ready?
You know, the man is so much elder in my place. I need to build up the place of the elder. You see me? You know, man, like you know, no man.
While that man is you see the announcement? You see the announcement? Tell them, sir, watch it. When the nurse will open, when the loud, that's when I will not hold. I am not respecting the entertainer. When the nurse will open, when the loud, that's when I will not hold. All of the foundation said respect back. Some little entertainer, what is the matter with them? Them do a one song which is better.
Alright, Campion, ready up, answer that.
Alright, so the man say elder still, but we know say adopt them, right? We know that. So here are the tune I'm gonna play now. Here the tune. Called at the new time, at the new generation for the young people them. So
Alright, so inside the new generation to Eltham. Deal with the elders again.
Right now, you know, I'm saying my selector and go play and win the clash out. You claim the same play against Stone over and beat Stone, but we don't know about that.
We don't know what inside them at the money top. And we never get what we don't know how. We don't know what inside them at the money top. The money top. When you say the money top, the money top,
Ease out. Dig up all that tappa top then. Alright, some tappa for Campion. How we are ready, DJ PJ?
you know, I'm saying my top still, but we push him off the wall. So you know what I tell them?
Broke you same record. Don't run, mama boy, don't run. The boy dress up like police and I run like thief. Don't run, mama boy, don't run. Big yard, we are the last man standing.
Alright, the last man standing. You know some students of Campion like, who's that? Alright, we're going back to Eltham right now. So DJ, talk a fresh, ready up.
Boy, man, when say in my last man stand, I'm standing right beside you. Watching all a different place scene and a town in there, see me? Different place, I put more in the hanging tree setting.
Mount times down the mountain, links down the road, I connect when them down. Quick, yo, quick. Just like the doctor, the head still sick. Flip me, see man, no flip me, no flick it. Turn up the sound, yeah, rings it.
Sure. No, sir. I'm gonna come away for breakfast this morning. Alright, so we're going to the fourth tune from Campion College right now. Campion College, DJ, PJ.
Yo, tell them so we don't know so where they are Portmore. I'm on a little uptown youth still, but I know what I'm gonna do. So hear this now.
The fuck you load, bang on the stars to know. Set them home up on the load. We are make a star, so everything we do that's the show. Lucky put in braces, Lucky just went to work.
He's out!
What
about in the studio?
Can I ask a question? PJ, what's your real name?
Peter John.
Peter, me could have told us as an uptown name. Peter John. If I know Peter John is either Chad or somebody. But anyway, right now we're gonna go over to the Eltham Highway. DJ Tucker Fresh.
Yo, right now the man they beside me and shake him and shake me. I want team. I'm very I'm not even too like calling him the way out. You see me? But me I don't want team. He feel like him big and mighty. You see me? But I'm not so rock on yourself.
Some people more get. Yeah, that love, baby, people run the world. Baby, that. Girlfriend, love, baby, run the world.
Alright, a final tune coming from DJ PJ of the Campion College in this Tune for Tune segment. PJ.
Yo, I'm saying I'm not laugh with people still. But I see him smile up with this, so like, I don't know what I must say. But anyway, still, when I say I'm coward, when I say I'm afraid, when I say I'm quivering, that's some synonyms right there. Check it out. But anyway, I'm gonna drop this song and tell me if it what, huh?
Never yet get a charge. So how you bar? Them hungry but fi make car, fi make phone car. You know half it, we none at all.
Alright, so that is DJ PJ from the Campion College. Final tune coming from DJ Tucker Fresh of the Eltham High.
Brother, now you come back on the place. Come on, what kind of song them, brother? People even know them song, them from their old brother. You see me? But next time, you know, you're not even a bicycle, you have one train me. What kind of style that?
Boy, full of chat, man.
Train on my ear talk. Let them see you, let them still away training wheel. Let them pass it on the screen, you must say them still away training wheel. No, be a team spiel, you must say them still away training wheel. But you can't hear me feel.
Hey! What's the record generation of the how they come out?
Oh, them bad, sir.
That's what you want to about training and then we have a tricycle. It's all fun, it's all good right now inside the Suncity High School disc competition as we make it approximately
5 minutes to 4.
Did I wait for the countdown?
4 minutes to 4.
Shot to share your body. Alright, so we're gonna go to the schools now, or we're gonna wait till we get back from the break. Alright. So let me just talk to the DJs real quick about how they enjoyed these rounds. First, we're gonna start with the Campion College DJ PJ. What are your thoughts of this competition today?
Well, I actually thought this was a very good competition. I'm happy that this was available as an outlet for me to be able to show maybe Jamaica and to a large extent the world what I'm able to do. I have to give kudos to my competitor from Eltham High. He's really very good.
Yeah.
And it took a lot out of me to be able to actually respond to his songs, which I hope I did well.
Alright, tell me something about the Campion College that most people didn't know.
Alright, so something about Campion College that most people probably didn't know.
Yeah.
Alright, so we wear Clarks to school.
What?
Clarks. I have one month
Okay, that is interesting to know. Hey, you wear Clarks to school. That's a good answer. Alright, pick up yourself, DJ PJ. Alright, DJ Tucker Fresh from the Eltham High. Go over there, so Tucker Fresh. Eltham High. What are your thoughts about the competition?
Well, thoughts about the competition is a good one, you know? The man, we can get a chance to show Jamaica all the league. Well, you see me, competitor this so a good boy. But you need to take opportunity.
The Eltham High School, you have one of the Jocks who work here now, Jock Murphy. He came into this competition and won the competition, now was employed to Suncity. Would you like that same opportunity to be
yes,
here?
Pretty much. From what time was the first year was at 2016 when Murphy went here. From them time I felt like it, but in 2017 my laptop did get mashed up, so I couldn't get to end tight. And then 2018 and next year the end tight. But when we get my chance now, I can't afford to just need to take it and just do what I have to do.
Alright, and beg your students to vote for you.
Yeah man. When I say my fans them.
Man got fans.
See the man. You see, just up on Suncity and say no. But I campaign from last night still, so I know the request supposed to come in. You see me, so just 5 o'clock later, but them time just log on for the field and just like it up. You see me, because second on the team day. Oh,
if you follow the boy on tomorrow, start with Saturday, still at DJ PJ, just tell your students to vote for you.
I don't really have to tell my students to vote for me, because I know say Kimona can lock, and share one read, them have that lock. So here we go, if you want any information, hit them up. You hear me? Hit them up.
Yeah, I'm on Campion, Jesus. Alright folks, so that was really good hearing from both students, okay?